All right, I'm going to go over some of the theme options and how to adjust the colors. So once you install the theme, you'll actually notice up here a little note on how to edit that section in the top header. So let's go ahead and just go to the theme customizer. So you can hover over your title and go to customize, or you can go under your dashboard and go under appearance and customize. From there, you'll have a set of options. You'll have font colors to change, background colors to change, header, contact, and social icons, and theme settings. So for theme settings, this will be the first one you'll probably go to, and you can just upload a new logo. Couple of things after you upload the logo, you want to adjust the logo and the width. So just add in your logo width. And then for the height, you can just adjust this setting. So for instance, if you had a really tall logo, you can adjust the setting really large, and it will add padding above the navigation. So if your navigation isn't lining up correctly with the logo, you can adjust it there. So then you have copyright. You can set your header as fixed. If you do that, when you scroll down on a page, the header will stay. So it's pretty cool. Fixed header. All right. And then let's see. Then under the next one, header, contact, and social icons. So the top left area is the first field. So if you want, you can just add in a message up there or a banner. Otherwise, if you want to add an address like the home preview, you can add in an address and the little icon will automatically appear. Same with your phone number and email. So it's pretty cool if you want to adjust that area up there. And then of course you have your social icons that are going to display next to the navigation. So when you add one in, you'll see them displaying there. Then the cool stuff is going to be backgrounds and font colors. So if you want to adjust these, it's pretty handy. In general, it's top to bottom, and you can just adjust the colors. So I just made that one lime green so you could see easily. If you ever want to revert back to the default, you can just click default and it will go back. Of course, when you're done making changes, you can either save and publish them or cancel and it will revert back to what it was prior. The last thing I wanted to go over was actually the slider background color. And if you go to background colors and scroll to the bottom of those options, there's actually a bunch of these fields. And the way these work is actually, instead of using a color picker, use this RGBA. So if you wanted to change the color of this, you'll need to either look up the value. And so the first three numbers are I'll mess that up, are the actual color. And then the last one's the opacity. So you can just Google RGBA colors if you needed to look that up, how to figure that out. But that area is going to be for the slider, so if you need to adjust those colors, you can do so as well. And the reason that they're these values and not colors is because they're transparent in the background, so that's why you use that these color codes instead of a picker. All right, and here's an example. Let's say we wanted to change this color. And if you had a color that you picked, let's say we want it to be this color, what you can do is you can just Google RGBA lookup, and this one at the top or any of the other ones will work. This one's pretty handy. You can just look up the URL up there if you wanted. You can just plug in the value, then how light or dark you want the background to appear, generate it, and it will generate it for you. And so you can just copy that and paste it in. So that's how, if you wanted to adjust the color, you can adjust these colors. All right, so that covers the theme options.